malungil tutau mal sulang pastor musik tera no emrelal tutau en suadang utial teal le gotu le bodo susra ibdul maraklay marbugul belau pilung ebiraklay masil belau President Senate Hopkins Paulus marugul senators Speaker Sabina Anastasio marugul delegates Chief Justice Ngiray Galaw marugul justices regal dungati ultime bodo datkia namodibus radrongla del Chief Justice ngira kalsong ya tara ngial amlegot tergamang al serving el Chief Justice rablur belau dirigal mamlat krengi ma family ri dirigal sadrung tel tel dirigal الموسوس ارتجال لغول governors leitors marbekar other belau altira ngara ablur ngayangan almor hotcharigi mangara kira ablur belal el ansil siruk no se el tunin ne kadamem kad uk ada dura amli diul ma gotlul sadrung atel mourang asuler toktang kambes altira ulang sekar wasak karter el ansil sa asal luar toktang merat tuak mereka sekno dibus el tribal time program dari rule sander amla memang ini damnara charter flight el mora a Taiwan el leutura toktang argi dengan artian el ngaga mal naria rektegal dimla gul tirak lagi el mlegiri gal merul dik teli segit maka serak pura Taiwan gel toktara Taiwan amal di milsigara wase milsigara YouTube الموضوع serang artia Vice President lai mak manira sen dimna ka mobile te dimna ka mobile lagi tilurgara beginning October serang marabot ka so nga ulbot ka beginning October mergo merbelau momai semru lagi dal gal mrul toktara Taiwan amal de se dimna ka multirak ma ula kamnal mutin me but akbrenga sulera doctor adalbay ma doctor donesa tira marador hospital tira amnar tiang meserak pora Monday afternoon etmal dimlamre adlo tunga gemro ase ga mora bed rest de ga muitan tik of course nga malna man lemringel it was painful di tiram lesil olakli help ra mno sekal marar sel next day ngara flight el mora a Taiwan mang tiragal mga sula doctor do rong tiragal na airport rong amle legir el tel skogim lo 4 hours el delay ni malung treatment hospital mendim nak bring you know what's amazing ak malimis el bring masel silsera Monday nga dim lo mud el tel ringel mrab de ma rogo ya ase gal tables modelo ase sel sum toda del idra swala adalet seguida that's what happens tia wal mi sik tu model sel mu bangarang tia ang makmlomu de mlo to issue but anyway mereka sudah toktang mlo sil stabilize na osabak mak mlo dak meringen mak nganas kogi akkerda Taiwan englemu tum sak segi de ngalel sirak karbela mang mlongila gada dimlong matamre de lotungid mlo about 4 days 5 days el ngala krangaleng tia unfortunately tia dimna kadil do bersigi del silsila mandeleng lestat mal meringer Egypt ya utogang al ngarsel mel belawe and I thought I was going to be okay because I thought tia di part of tia vodka planning but I'm not Superman the lesson ko isa other belawe se multirak latira toktang most importantly mama sargaw oy le yeah, that ngari ulat takmurid wa say restriction for the next tel albuil mga tel mal gadung wala mal dol tirak lagi del seeg ma ade gal gal mrul digida madiga se ngari urol gira del mrul gada bla garmo del mrul di mal dingar bela dak porgel al lak le tamnak mo asen de gam lutlo mais el talbuil el lak mal dingar tiang mga tel mga sulil dosil tibel mile naria conference mlegri gal ngari Singapore el sales مالين غير الموضوع اوشنز كونفرنس في سنغافورة ما تملي على راه ديكبو ديك ملي زوم موضوع this morning سملي اوشن ساميت تملاني سنغافورة وين دري زوم تكاسي هذا المول ليغال وريرا دم ديك مرغا سولار ادر بلا رang نو يو ما ديري غير سير دبا تايوان تيجل اوكوغرو راشين كون هوسبيتال مال تمال مدور وريري they know what needed to be taken care of Sum kumpora rong siya all during a press conference. Adigo oti. Tia di karen misil. Ngartiang tia vacuum. Vacuum mensekal tim nomor karabot ketungul le argid. Maigel stitches ergid mangarang al vacuum. Mentekal change addressing. Addressing abukulara, stitches abukulara ma Friday. Mang basic technology tokala ko to experiment na okay. Ngidi bilis na arbor bela gira kan mor bela akadam name and everything is good. Mang actually dak beringen. I had nothing in painkillers, everything is good. Mang looking forward to Friday. Ngintale mal all the lobang gira ukmo divus modeka na rin at sila bantrin. Di kadamaran mereka sulah Dios, mereka sulah berbekal other bela tiramal darsang nunguir, and it's good to be home. I'm good. Sisi, and kadri mereka sulah Dios for our health. Tengah-tengah terlihat di other bela, terus ramal betul kalau other tiramal tiga diri. Kita melora Egypt, ya temen tim lakat tela do press conference, mungkin kita melora Egypt ya temen kita mele return al Saudara Cup 27, ya Cup 27 do dongali lo set tera mele close initiative ra Cup 27 finally, melora agenda emna mori am Saudara gire la loss and damage. So kita mat purol mengitak kari, ikadara do Saudara ni la segida serak ngara Glasgow kasi kami apa bayuin baydim debar belam bol mereka tia lagi baring tia ongaram lagi mari melar serak pura asyar mereka kasi kami torture kamam dengan mereka tia torture kada orang itu tilu ase mol mel selul the sweat was let's do everything we can to stay below 1.5. وشو time هذا غير عربك الأضرع بلو الأضرع سه بودو مريم رجال البلوات يبودو سبيل sustainably من لقل الأولى التلم الليل رجال بلو ماما مراد رجال بلو من كذا سلتي مريض على أمر return last week كذا مرينا سولير أمر مرينا لوريرين ما كان negotiations ما أولى سل loss and damage من دير ترى أمر loss and more agenda لا مرة لور جريلا Cup 28. Direct mal soadal, o eso hace el week en todo betsul week en weekera ang kada recognize tigal ngaliget nakase ngaliget ang ditiga ang migrel moran maklo tira are disabled bebira time ang disel International Day of Disability sa kada recognize ditia wagel dilu tersireling gilel every day and dolat kerti ngirel accessible ay galblay ngirel ngari ramp al mommas ngirel ngari asim lo open el silk mural sel ma benjolos pe ma parking ngir mga parking mural adal tiros pe parking el ngari itu litu tertir ndegal el parking el kmedem el uktil suadal mo dolay age gida partra makmul gora minister se me bodol tautagel udula se ga parking space era itut mada help pertir gida kada masado omungul lagi gida get partra omudongul tertiga gida el tira ospeange so tial partra gida muruya raise social awareness ser clothing era adra blul gira la gida ngara le tirga adal el celo ni tinga se polngani telam el liwai gamiu el mo urior el mo mora uguru el mora school el mo murula urera maigel gi mospe di ngare gel kat magil rablu madoru lablit edorul attera yegidel tokoy madoru la blara gabalmen torul attera yegi ma tiral digamuna dona ministry education le ngare program yegidel ukmo upgrade gal schoolet let's make sure ya partra yegel ngare yegel benjo ma accessibility ra arang yegidel mora yegidel el classroom marogu baby time tangara gambil osingit mengira dan make sure yang dia wayel dilu tesin dia dil once a year every day dingara ma amdala osing dara bekal time mengoy to maklat kiri ase oy mlesa dronga saudod mun ka damrenga sura adorbil mlesa dronga saudod man mastri mai se longi usel ngeso di tiga dal dil sorira angeso diri kalsori tial diri kalsori laurior diri kalsori la tial laurior ya dil la kal accessible tial plan mot murin laurior kam kara laurior that's what it's all about mang kada kai ngaseu el beklad el celebrate tial week ngari activities tira all week ma eling nasa dro march ramatrir ma bai samle joiner tir ramadala stora sanuma el mera PCC and there's a forum later on this week mere minister held mo update tir di kada mrenga sulir kan graduate tir wase mela kada dobe sertir always in the front of our minds sulang ya baik turn aulal mora minister matul balbol chirigi da activities meran mere al Christmas der gal gidre wadi update gidre gel uk programs lorul der gal minister health ma minister justice
Sula presidente malungit tu tau apamul
vamos
well elang kora na memberi Thanksgiving gitma mo kora mbral betul Christmas tial all bekaraga erungul park ma gidra capital kora bodom si ingin mo kora theme ra Christmas so akal announce mumlonia tele del meter trial Philippine Association metriga kora olong seurgi del kora mrur sel scene ragidra al sela erungul skum ko may ngalak lakom lo mes tir sa club say triga mal di volunteer triga kora creative ngirma mo kor ngit tip kami kora mes mo kadam karang kay ngaseu kora release el moklo bokol tial program umura December 12 elmo 16 Monday through Friday el Monday Wednesday Friday a program angara erungul park mangarinya gel elementary school so giblam contact el mo kora ngania program bertir te umura elol moklok el mo with the clock matedo first ndiga kalsal mal finalize agi rogul ministry mamru lagi the program ding daitang each tal kasus ang tablol kora organizations or ministries ba amo Santa Claus ya kora ngania gift ma lo mestirangal olbi la dire kam na kongel motara agi dele pick up parcel program on Thursday morning ra capital mang sige da kora Christmas program to missing in Maralmay ongerong president en so kalmo kora nania kora klol to kora blul south trigel other belao el tilob del maurio rekrel belao eso adal kora al do lo mengla president tamle so dem taklil morabuel wa setial ministry gidra MHRCTD adlegal dagadil klongar alera other belao ngar belao ndregal ngania ngar alera المسبق أقرأ نلقي ذا التوب ذا الموريو رايكريل بيلاو مغاني أسوب ذا الجيبو مولتوب ذا نجيل السيلز مقموش شيرني لو بنتر أذا ميديا المغتكليل وسيال سقو مغانيا أقرأ مقتغر غاو ملو بنقول ذا سويم الموتوب ذا الموريو رايكريل بيلاو يعني أقرأ recruiting agency ملو بن الآدم لا كونتاكتر غاو إذا كمسال مال بدين التغور على سلك الكونترات أجول نيت مير أوفيسر كيدرا سيفيك سنتر ملو بنسال أوفيسر كيدرا نغرانغر بإدرا Division of Employment Services. Mesatara adamam. Adeng warkamam 488-4331. Malubang 488-4332. Agi malmuil sa bawang madong okli o panggem make sure ay gel kontrat al pamsaying. Kamadeng tokora alsel. Mandiya ko porang apar del bolko ararong malubang lonia kora talgibal alwidra tokora ududem bli sel kora kontrat al pamsaying gani. Makmal mga madawar adar ogun ngania kora ulda swil mo marusa gidol tokoy mbela sa kamam lendre kal so amlon nga sero ka rawero moral mo make sure ng salwa aklak lang arakaw ong eden so kal mo kora dio aisle ngirma kamlar sel long day bertel mo mregal weekend mlaringia apokor del 25 al adra tayo al adra yakyu loban 3 or 8 el family members ertir الملو ياكيو بنتيرا بريغر بيلاو مليرو الكلوبسيل لو ياكيو اتيا بارتر سيل الريفورم الوبن سيل لو نسيرو ايغانا ميرغي دل تايوان بريزيدنت تاملو سبيل مودو بريزيدنت سايمون تيا سبورتس توريزم is a big part تاغي دل كورا help recovery gid economy but the mamadar trigil other sports in ler belaw me yakul 2 days a tourist tumler sa sabadong e momraira el algabsangi ngegi del Randy Huang amlo so el direkal sign MOU lo bangela Palau Baseball Federation el mol nga seurtir at tukara program ra annual baseball tournaments. Eswa ke President Talungab sila kasusang luay sa President Ambassador Lee. Ilwasa Taiwan am natchen sa luul ra professional baseball players. Sabi elangal karbela ul opmong ngedera kal ngaras high school, malubang ngedera kal ngara university, eng eligible al mo sokor pro. Tanatchen sa ladir ko imam matin dimla kal sabi el. Ya parte sa gito program amo sa malas mal gora ol nga sa urgid ra little league, magora tel major league urgid. El malas mal encourage ar adra yakir bela mo sokola semay malubang professional baseball at Taiwan. So sila gora sorry gora ol nga sa urgid el direct. Mangel Brandy Huang at direct member of the other sports organization. Ma December ang nga group para adra variable el May. El group mo mes mong sabiil momrula tournament terbelaw. Dolas man mrul nga mo bekkel buil nga niya gora carousel sports. And namatibol mo next year April or May is el marathon ang motokoy. So they're working on the marathon as well. Magida gil gora to gora sports tourism el gora dulmes. Esel finally nga niya President gidale ngani sa local product showcase semo el Alsandera December 4th and mura nga Amayong Cultural Center. Tia partra gel tia actually nguro ra MEF ndi nga niya partra SPDC ma PVA lo nga sortir ma adra tia Tobacel Grant ra Jeff 6 ma Chamber of Commerce. El meet Palau's talented producers and buy local arts, food, souvenirs and crafts. Kaya program ko lang sir trigidal ko adra arts and crafts sa mrulakal mo sabiil nga niya lool tagel gukdo urtir magel products sa ilo traw makmal direkal invite adra gura Sandera December 4 el mera Amayong et ya umura 12 mo o'clock or actually 2 to 6 p.m. Sunday ngora digigida presidente.
Sula, Mr. Putula. Jenkins, Mr. Jenkins, I know you wanted to share a little bit about the ongoing projects.
Oh, okay, thank you. Mr. President. This last week was Thanksgiving, and giving some time to reflect on how things have been going at the Ministry of Education was a time to really take an opportunity to thank those people and those organizations that have really helped the schools improve, and to let you guys know about projects that are ongoing that aren't terribly visible, even though it's happening right on Main Street. Right now, we have 5 facility improvement projects ongoing. One is the school internet access improvement upgrade, working with PNCC, and that's also being funded through the kindness of our partners at the Ministry of Human Health and Human Services, as well as the Center for Disease Control. So our new attempts at increasing our use of technology are getting a backbone, and they've already begun installation of these. They began with the far northernmost school, which was done last week, and we're working their way south at this time. So it's exciting for us because we are doing a lot more work online, and we have been experiencing some difficulties with that. So this is a good start in that way. Next is the Koror Elementary School gym, which was damaged during Storm Sugoi. And thankfully to the United States Department of Interior, they gave us a grant for $192,000 to replace the roof and improve the drainage, as well as provide better shelter from rain, which comes in on a horizontal basis up there. So that's another big plus. And we anticipate that project to be completed hopefully by the end of the school year. The next one is a very large project, because I'm sure you're aware that our cafeteria in Munes was condemned last October of 21, and the Japanese ambassador Kurosawa stepped forward and gave us the largest grassroots grant they'd ever given in Palau of $487,000 to replace that. That's now being with the construction. Bids are gone out, and so hopefully that'll be finished by next October if all goes well. The next one is the solar power project at Palau High School, designed to provide additional power. Probably don't realize that as your power bills have gone up, the Ministry of Education power bills have gone just absolutely skyrocketed on that. The solar power will help us hopefully defray some of that cost. And so that was also funded by the Republic of China, Taiwan, embassy, and that was to the tune of $200,000. And the final one, which is ongoing as we speak, would be the Palau High School and Karora Elementary School upgrade for climate adjustment, climate control, which is a fancy way of saying we're going to improve ventilation in the rooms and add some air conditioning to some of the rooms as well. And so that works hand in hand with our solar power project to reduce the cost of all those air conditioning units that'll soon be operating. And that was for $869,000, again, from Taiwan. So we've been very grateful for over $2 million of support to upgrade our school facilities, something which has not been done for a while. And this is only stage one, phase one, I think we'll call it. We're looking forward to making this a multi-year project to where we're able to improve not just the schools that we're working on here, but all schools throughout Palau in upgrading and making them safer and better and more equipped for technology as well as for student comfort. So those are our ongoing projects. The other ongoing project was one of the initiatives which we started, and it's the School Information System, which is a school-wide system of keeping all information for student records, teacher records, grades, et cetera, on electronic basis. It's been slow going. We're working on it, but we anticipate being able to use that system now for the second quarter grading period, so that report cards will be done by computer, which means all the grade point averages will also be calculated by that. The system is designed to do two things. One, improve communication, communication not only within the school, but more importantly, communication with the parents and with the students, because it has the capability in the future of parents will have access to their student grades at any time. They'll be able to see what their child is doing at any time via the parent portal, as well as the students will have the same right, be able to see their work at any given time through the student portal. We hope to implement that more fully by next year. We're not anticipating getting all that taken care of this year, but it'll be done so that the communications will be better. Just in right terms of right now, the current system would enable parents who have internet access, email addresses, should they want, they can get the report cards by email, or if they would prefer hard copy, that'll be provided as well. So it's a way of getting those out faster, more so we can actually do some good, so the students can look at their projects and see what their grades are and move forward on that rather than waiting too long, which goes right into our intercession program. The intercession programs also have as their primary focus in academic enrichment on the part of students. If a student is having difficulties, we'll be able to identify them, work with parents to set up a time during the intercessions for them to receive additional individualized or small group instruction. So those are some things which are going on, which I'm very grateful for, and it's not been an easy thing to get going through. We're all having little pains with it. I know some of you who are parents are worried about, why can't my kid get on internet all the time at their school? But we are working on that, and we're working diligently with our vendor to iron out where the problems are. We found out that our internal systems are solid now, thanks to the PNCC. Our bandwidth to each school is adequate for what we need to do, so we just need to work out the details and why we're having trouble in communicating with our vendors in the States, and they are working on it as well. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Minister. Minister,
Mr. President, Vice Ministers, other media, Marugul Adalo, Mesa Oring Setel press conference la tutaw. Umule President Soklo, Tera Ministry Rahel, the Human Services, Emrenga Suli, Tirigel Botokol, Aldabe, El Martulungal, El Mledonate, El Mera Hospital, especially al Thanksgiving, malbtokar donate malungil healthy القال المورار سمير ما ديرك الستاف ما ديرك الملورتيال all the aid center مقتي مو المرينغا سوليت تيجي رجول مدونيت تاجي مو compiler list رجول الدونرز مو publish رجول أمرينغ الثورة end of the year. President تقدم دنيل وسنجوك سلدومسا أور COVID cases نجوك نماس قد غورا نامو من الأسوال وستيجي دي أبئس النورمال. Gira dalo taba global trends ra COVID expect dalo asing malamol malway sel doral budulu mo watetele la seasonal flu guk more baba cases guk more yo. Hindi el alta meng malgora tugubet sel kloa dagadil COVID hindi rekal ngania flu ma RSV togunir magkakadil ngal المراير الأرى السيلة بلور بيلاو مقدمان دي الموت اللولينيت ترابيكلا هذا لو سيبوضا غريق البراكتيس يجال preventive measures يلسوغو مغامدان الغال وسيغانيا underlying conditions الغاو موتغان لو ماس كيبوم extra cautious الجيريلا يجال preventive measures من الالتاي من غورا ديلغا قد يسان need implement يجال الميجرز اللي بدا implement را ولا الالرغ 2022 البورني سيلغوت السيرج كوفيد دي كده مالو نيتر بكلا هذا لو سيبول بول سبا دي كلغار يغرقيك الجريلا جاي دي السيد المطمق البريفنت من دي قدو ولا كوفيد ما يقال بيبير respiratory viruses direct المسؤولان البريزيدنت اللي منشنر سيل يقال activities را international day for persons with disabilities ngaringi segi del disability forum el morning a Friday se mo soada ringi a tial dong itu ringi disability policy ra blur belau se agi mo ringi concurrently lo bangela aging policy mangaringi a invitations el namora gagros el partners ma stakeholders el mor segi del forum hopefully se el moral gut maklia ngil MCC الباليسي المول يصير تيرغال ببير جيد الوك غانيا اللي تأثير ديريك الصاد الاناونس الواسيسل electronic health record system ngara hospital the design ngir التايم about the launch ngir December 15 mang training ma installation ongoing التايم ma testing التلبئة السيستم يسيجي دي أول بول قد مو يمول مرا electronic health records ما electronic medical records مرينا سولير أذا ما قبل منترا أستراليا تيرا أول مسيرجي دي سيجي دي البروجكت ديريك الشغل announce البريس كونفرنس الوسيسل national health summit من الأمم national health symposium بلاد بلانر نيل جريلا ديسمبر abodo host ringi malumgan mo mruringi ra February 20 saygi dal wigra February 20 2023 mangora di swadal ma announce saygi di ako makail details ma umsodel sel National Health Symposium gibom announce ra sel volge that time di saygi dal wigan swadal mo masterier adra bulu at al may magda mesang status ra healthcare system ما ديريك الستارس را هيل درجيدر أدر بيلال وسيق دجير الجير نرا بلان سرجيدر لو مثل بدولو أي لو سنجيدر المران بدول جير من بتوقع activities سيجيدر الويجرا February 20 including را a youth health forum الجيم بلان المتمكرنير سيجيدر المانديل February 20 ديريك الصادل وأيسل وسينغانيا بأس البودكاست را Ministry of Health and Human Services بلذا pilot test ringi September el ase malmol melngania at least one episode ra bekal buil se available ra igal roguil platform ra igal streaming platform ra internet mitirgel sorry ra sabira please tune in المرسيجي دي podcast direct sada lo ay so segda in the process of procuring new hemodialysis units ma sel confirm details se in se agal mutul ko to further details الجيل اللي جال بأس المسيلة hemodialysis. وسيسيلتا مغانيا our specialist الغرتيان الملموت را December 9 تلقان specialist را شينكونغ غانيا ortho ما plastic surgeon أقوم داسو غانيا announcement اللي بلا متبدي را social media را MHHS ملسو مغانيا را other interested ngiri أقوم لقل ويد ngiri المغانسال ترى توقتان غرتير ito gut maklar referral lem usabi ilmo message tiragal specialist. Last but not least, klugo December 1st, World AIDS Day. Moring ya free screening sel Health Information Resource Center ngara madalayi sel mle former officer Peace Corps. Adal stop pa ra klugo ra between 8 to 5, 8 a.m. mo 5 p.m. mga free screening ra HIV, madirek potentially other STIs. Dim lagi the President sulang.
Sulang ang minister. O di sokal doli lo ase kata malmereng asuler da Taiwan na starter regular service ra China Airlines. Hindi ka help para to tourism. Dirikal help para to health mo. Na obyo tira sandra toktang al on rotation. Maulang na mulai gal program tira. Gelo bigay ka flight mer sa batong amle plastic surgeon and next week ang ortho but na mo sil memorial. Sulang Vice President kamu share ay gero ka nga ministry ko.
Okay, welcome home, Mr. President. Yung malungit total mga ministers, mga media lang artiyang tigil mo sa ilo, Mr. Tial, press conference or ordering string. Tiri ko malungit total or ka, Pastor, ay doon akmal ngarting Mattersell music video ka, ang Clela Hire, ang mga ito, Presidente, akmal ko ra, amo wasesel litak lamral ko ra mo rodo mitial experience ringi damral di merang asule la Dios raw lakarawil mang alsuman gira ka arme sa sekmal encourage til was from check out sa del video ra pastor do ongon mingitak ka sa del litak kal higher and then Mr. President ang members sa media ko tol sa kalo ay ringa wase Minister Justice Rabalura Taiwan Mer Palau ra end of December, mera December 28 and mo December 31st. Al Mer Palau lutoy ra invitation ra ngakal mloringil wa sepong Mer Palau sira kukpok visitra at Taiwan ti ko ay sirsegi de ko ay sangkel sel delegation al Lobengel al May. Mga niya Minister Justice ang kayo del Minister Ching Xiang Tai. Ang kalas name ringi tiwalas name President Taiwan at Tsai. Department of International and Cross-Strait Legal Affairs, ang Ministry of Justice, ang Deputy Director General Nanjiang Wang. Director Lobengelme, Secretary General of Ministry of Justice Investigation Bureau, Fu Mei Yu. Director me Angele Institute of Forensic Medicine, Director Seguidiel Forensics, Cho Xian Shu. Director ngania Prosecutor May, Lobengela Taiwan District Prosecutor's Office, Jie Xiong Anklel. Director ngania Mutual Prosecutor Lobengela May, Commercial Department of International and Cross-Strait Legal Affairs, Sylvia Yang Anklel. Director ngania Assistant Director General Kukto of the Department of East Asian and Pacific Affairs, or Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Stephen Shuangkle. Sige dia delegation ringil me madamal look forward al mura ay gagi dele visit ringil ang tamal kloang esol tungulo giwa abalura Taiwan ra Ministry of Justice. You may recall ta direcal mle donate al mergi dai gel tul al migakrel ertal alidway the ma. Okay.
Visibuso.
Visibuso, okay. Which is really good for near-shore surveillance, rescue, SAR, yes, search and rescue efforts. Tinakan mal suakal low ay sa logyuti al press conference wala si Obis ra Vice President nga ningyanges wala si irar dal tira alaaf al soril maru lay gagid le articles of incorporation or tier len soril mo charter the organization mal agi mal nga seo please may mal si edo kutmok lay gagid dal document sa kamiw bolso vi wal apply grant ang malbato ka te alra grants hindi tablo olo lingitan mulwa si trial applicant sa gihiral charter the organization. Ba bolso vi wal mer office ra Vice President si edal kutmok lay gidal documents sa kamiw mil si edal mo submit more office Attorney General ang pom charter the organization. 488-3198 tadengwa President whip singe assign na igel charter sa organization so loro ringi office Vice President ol nga siya wal toget kay kay dal papier al kamiya oxpe el mo subi wal al musay dal charte. Finally the sokal remind dal wase tamla soy sobra holiday season madamal mo kargi kle podo seat belt tol also makamo malimaro may pol nga niya designated driver rakaw. Hindi also adal kuk mo sois regel betokol that we've seen before mo nga accident lang malimaro mauul ya da lusak lang nga ligid. Mal magikarel at mga to kayong sel kauklat kalwasay well ko tel kamsal malimarom number lang kitrahel alias studies have shown al direct kalwasay kalo malimarom direct nga niya connection ngi magspela ko lan mura cancer mga the maumalam albu mga the kauklat kalwasay kay diamal katol kabaw spela kay for our healthy bodies in the kita di maral mo makasal other Palau malgire dal make sure wasi as a race ebo ta karikit kremado the masisi al af madal sabi dal lo me el en mo tokol adaling to spera tokol other Palau mga gigi ako ra di blaklat yung selblad dalia Mr. President algire la International Day of Persons with Disability podongol itong tokora respect sel omoral mura matala a restaurant ang business ang ospital el ngaringi sel sign at mulwa setyang a pariging for the disabled ikaw la kam disabled please la ka para say tiya tokora omongol mangbol sa baedal el pekal sel de sa se do tingek mulwa say tiang a reserve te kama marbuli sa mo o malaso mal bral ticket ay kay al parking stalls al girel reserved al mora persons with disabilities al gida bebira time at do bese mom the parkar ni so please podo basigidro mul to tingek masige gida reserved the parking space are reserved for persons with disability. Wala ko radim lagi dia cook announcement Mr. President from Ministry of Justice. Malmasulang.
Voy a dejar open a hablar la question.
Manusole Presidente ma el Minister sa ka korat lagi bakloro ba karkin tilbital table mahal gumuli. Makote kalam dengan lo sa ki ak mo menteri rap tol ada Palau ama ko sila warandi tial umral bloringi ma ter teme dengan man mengular mo sa kumesra ka di tax modial tem ngora kemudian kita ada Palau sila boleh seram maklur al marab lana dia kal sawadam saw wad ligi kal toy di am klad gruli len lama to kan matakle den mosme mo grul malabuin mabuin kol affect ni aklangar gid et mre gid di tomarat kemlang wa sim tiam bal marmudel kemlang wile hotel mal ko am sisi utrim ko amra ba madam di ko sisi malung lar mudum mal saw la ruba kara sebelau
Sila.
imro ko ma akmo meska mi edel kere di tak ngal eraw laul tigal minister sagas bilongere agote ngaria to nilai luasya awero moraile namle kire mo ay sergi luasya alda dura compacta la mo agram itia kita to luasya 900 million double skida adam rigir asla 15 years mo 20 years $20 million abek rak dia udengel luasya di ada silbataka wasing di reng selaw dia udengel luasya sing sebem confirm ringi indik mendengar sa moral nari ada dua resort emorgo inggal ambassador yung amle tiakal amle dibus dimle erong de klebse ing amrael dimla akora akses ma medium dimla ki ngai sa wasen sing obengel tiang em girel ker ongerumul el question na wasya kal amdengel wasi sidam arai bisa sabadong ya URCIGide ya rada board amle organized na SS ingilo chairman team de clear lao ya Monday ya BSL board agil tia iklela administrator na SS ya ka wero moral ke dilulu ase mondam la mora court pere courtel dokter kakli mendir kemde rama ra courtel bol tergo kringi itu awat yarto magri ka wasing kemlem dengan aborda girir ngar eungem. Aro ilak executive branch. Kemlem dengan tiam ngariak kemlem kau. Elak kata guk makarang. Elak guk salman nan mutul misik sikten boy say. Ekat guk kirel kir. Na ongedel gri kau say. Kelam lam hasil report tra Raymond James elgirela agil investment tergit. Ela sera December emle 331 million. Ela se report aku mesir ngir eli emlang mang tan mongarat 241 million. Mengari kau se kemdengli OIC gidre lang miligram OIC. Egal amadengel wase. Aku mlang lengi terkau, mlang up time was ngabe raigang. El meso aklaikan mendet el bang WSS maya. Ite kado lai tidu kumlar bebet. Makri kawasi. Tial WSS kada magara. Kada kau mondara udod, kada nama kau tutak labord ma. Rado el bil, nagu birarat, ngari udod el medel. Mas morbab Raul tu suami girse. Raul lego.
Ay gamal betokol question ng irma. Nakalabay so kalmut el mosmer. Wala kale sulang ara malungil gira ko trule dungora tokora compact gidam dingel was endri gamra la do dol girel mlaria agora maybe mlaria possibility was negotiator gida uk mlaria family time ri mo dimle mlaria private trip ri mo rigel kadam dos was maybe moria telel mesa yun for one more time the October was before end of the year or early next year, I'm not conclude the agreement. Segita adora girel. Egel detail adriya bolse adam zao. Ne se kala amal kora toka modenge di for now adriya kal bolse adam zao mung kade ngarsegi de gida mal logro lo mangela negotiator me modador adram rigel. Adi se del dule ase se nar bebula tebra before am la unacceptable. Mengirel moda. Esera da boram riger esera endra September. Maria togol milu sel agreement el le design el kaman Pacific leaders el mal meklo tutel am la sel wase agi mosiga new resources. Le tingil am rigela blol malmon mal wase kadingar sel kim silo dira walel sera temla chom kadingar sege. Murtuir sege del dadu hopefully مسألة ترجيب المشاكل ده قال هيجلو اللغورية ده عن عمو. Of course كده لقيت راسم change negotiator ما قلت إنه change negotiator كده hopefully by early next year كده أنا كده أنا عمري قريب. سلامورو الquestion من مكتوم ويروم لقينا لا. SS board. Uk para ser gide ngirma of course I got board da gide other bela nga gamal umra ser tola se board da gide operate independent degal president or del wasemo toba da udo lotobo no it shouldn't operate that way they operate independently mung oy olbi la president am lesana la lo se giru pegal benefits tira board tira ukna decision tir ma administrator lo se degal pay غدليل واسي باي بيست السولوشن البراغور تاغور تلو تبديا ديسيجن واسي تيام غرا تلتلن سو nga ok sea ok observation gidung kultur segi de aborda tiga gire lograr o masa urerir of course a decision git til girela sel targo to clone girela aborda hiring a director tirma or tel agency so segirel ngaralir and I would assume was a get a guru, getting a basis in the Adil Gora di water mustra feeling. So I hope in the base a decision or tira facts will decision. Get of course I cover the get the supporter till they're doing the best in the interest of other blue bella. They get a SS a look touring a beckle other bella or a beckle seals, especially tel monthly payment selbo ungitu gri gagara medele waltela al adar belo man to trela al rurta SS stable and will understanding man will mitigation ngel adra blum ka sengar alir diga ka tele kal meter tirak tirgamle the I guess at some point they'll come and let us know was it the decision or tir and why it was their decision and running why say akti asum no say aborda mdengar alel mdengar alir mat tirak lang alir amru lagi lo rule
Hindi ako madungali. Hindi ako madungali tiyalo mrun na.
I mean akrirang sali wai gaw ngare ba ber mel oh
Oo.
yeah but there's ilang siya position again I got board they operate independently selngura hiring ma firing ara yang and that's their prerogative gida appoint will be confirm of course and say that ask our board and resign that would be our responsibility azum na muda kala confident tire ma ask tire al todo rogoi di tire kala umbral lo se adra board ra ss in their decision lo se tamle hold the payment ta mara gor tamle kumlari selul doswil as former chair said and was a self fiduciary responsibility kamamal ukirel ngari teludo del mortrigel maralme agible multuring e de calzom lo topo da galudo oise sea ukna argument ra at the other side e gida ukna selimora side lo se di odom na toda 1.2 le go e morgo olbil ma presidente na sana la lo sengir el todo ngara dor tirakring and that's why the court has to ngome saigang decide ro sing ngara sel girel motirak lamang gada aktimum ere segi de se ngarali lastly investment irmang kala girem chon tigel mora ipafs ma de gal invite ra ndi
Wala mo betul pumakman madungali siya.
makamo ay segi ro se
Saya di gemiu. Wala master degree ma ira. Hindi kasawil ka ma lutsula.
ndi point was is kida ginutti aludo el investor ngi ngaria board of trustees lo ngora ni ya investment kida long term da kadil short term makmadina se markets go up and down tianga a fund kida ablura mrigel amils kida was abekarage sel lo speringi a 15 million da katsem di un mero usira drongolen oise ampakta da kadil waisi waseng sem lo spera up to 15 million abekarage egirel invested egirel investment policy egirel tira commercial policy mang se adul tuiringi mela next week nguk mas ekado kasi nguk na mungilang mas tegirel long term da mang mas ememteng disel kamang lo sunget tiang maral budul ger segida gira no mesergi mo oy akne sing sodro to da bilme ding
Kurang lo mo ko siya kung oiti maru ko mo follow up siya.
oh gam lo gor selu kulogori wase ai teludo da compact el mera trasfanda a partenía de gidel mel ari mangani sel bling le dral sel dangano negotiate ramo ram regel kadma do giril lo va seguir del toy man se parte argument de ma blam regel hopefully se vol mera compact to gida se ru kala do ai lai gid ndi stila parte argument de ma blam regel ndi as it stands right now ngari policy ngari gidrol tira
Hindi ka stand mo kasi umala sa sirgil me umra gal mo SS ma pension ay kalto.
Yeah, for now there. Kada ngara da dol gira. Le tetel bil, radron la gal tablol bulung. Gira da da do mungla da do gira. Sulang na malung gira.
Tuta Presidente, Vice President, Mar Ministers. Presidente, kaumar adam makoramam dong presentation na kami mabibigay gari ka ora edim la mamerek. Hindi Vice ang ngaring ya ako ranks from time to time el waseng ya ada blue asin namo start el ngaring ya clow pupla mo sa tulo mesra clow makita klalo mara sila balu tracks. Di so talo geragal wasi ay gigit tingira adra balu kudiregal ngartial do Ministry of Justice diregal lo mesel way say di siya mo na kami say
kamal masaraw ngilger yes taldur legal Minister of Justice and siya wasi mal sa peter kumul way sender police sa plakaran di lawyer mga wal pending cases al ngara Tal Office Attorney General Giretan mo file. Di damal abur ang Office Attorney General al diakangel prosecutor al sabiel file a criminal charges for drug trafficking cases. Maldi bala kataklo ay sila sigida alit at tudar ilang. Mang ingariya Speedy Trial Act in place. Al kumulwa sa sum ka file a criminal case ang girel sila o katiwal club say ikamla file ragis. Mga sa aurioral gimot mo kanimak mlaw ay sira Mr. President o siga te alalo singara morole lel sa edal al mornya prosecutor sira al sila balur belaw al sabi idal mo file ay gigidal cases. Maktira kan mlaw reach out at yamle issue that was brought up at the recent JCM meeting. Madiri kal akmla reach out al mora US Embassy diri kalo ngita te al mornya omrole kan mora kwamra te selwigra December 14 makmo planan mo mesringele Rear Admiral Nicholson al diri kal mo ngita nga seo ngi was nga sukumamal kidal tegi dial shortage ra prosecutors nding Rear Police amal marara interdiction and disegi dial wayal pora wayal challenge that we're facing at this time.
Ela di follow up. Ela ay kita to asem namu satu mutul moni aklar ral sila palu. Indim la kadreng sera igel 2 years ngani COVID dem nan tiang na tiagi the resumption of flight kada na morngi.
Malway say so within a say del COVID maldim la ka flights al may you visibly kamilsang a reduction in the sera total open a border segi dem blal borngi askogi en mesois ay gay drugs se edal mulwa se omisindria sois para airport as opposed to seaport airport post office ke kita tul ay albasol kira mal CC surveillance ma monitoring lo arbolis kira ke kita toblol area.
Sula Vice President. Minister matula sel kadam la mutul resume sel China Airlines flight. Air Niugini is expected to arrive
December 13.
December 13. Kasi wala ay sila say sira luto resume China Airlines flight yung wangarang aklungela okya karangin merbelaw.
I don't have the exact.
Ang erung ngara ko ra outlook sel Air Niugini wasing amo start sel mo wasing amo sa el ko ngwa okya kal merbelaw.
I don't have the exact numbers of flights, but I can share later. I know the first 2 flights were full. As a matter of fact, the upcoming flights are it's over 100 plus. Eliak Nilo report was a special deals Vienna, Europe and Mervela is about 1,400 round trip. Obora Palesar lang muir other Italy. It seems like they're pushing China Airlines is pushing global audience at Mervela. Toka special Europe mamrigel me. Air Niugini adirgim agel details agidirgim atadugum ambassador Australia. It's scheduled to be twice monthly. President Dekalsal lungila rungul segil twice. He wanted weekly. So gi migomam nudur ambassador tried to push segid. What they're trying to do is look at agigid twice monthly. If 3 months and gora ngariya si ilm gagi askogi, it'll adjust realign again cook schedules are there. I don't have real details at the moment. I'll do ongoing with Ambassador. I get details of actual flight dates, times, arogoy. The Gimoriol Lobangela Australian help program will identify key agents not only in Australia, nindrekal ngara Papua New Guinea, Seklo expat community alsela PNG. Agidrekal is a possibility not only pushing Australian passengers, but direct passengers coming out of PNG. As a matter of fact, flight direct flight from Singapore. When direct messages they get the movement other between Singapore and Australia, direct possibly Mervela.
Sulang. President Seral matrakla aisel wase ka emergency flight tam nel tel tagargaw. Esel mal ko ramle concern other bela idir malusi other wala kasi. Kal president mal de uriol da kaulang alel. Di Turkey tiang matial mgirel la badangel lo makupsen tingkang malom da sa uriol adam mang. Bela aluk plabora Taiwan may margong atok tang kul mongarar ka rat telela schedule raw re sem sel wase ka public appearances ka mo kasay skogil mora outside ng mo kasay ang kami mo di leng ka kaptul ka meter bela lo para da ko tal lurior mang suadal mo dang lise gitu sulang
Natutal le askarang wase kawangarang makasendang at malungil oy kasi malungil ang arep tok tang ang artilal mangkaragaw. First of all, first lady mal make sure ultira ka igil ka ultirak la mandim le first tank puna wala segala ka dimol di hefte marael di actually aklatibly increase more than hefte leng. I'm feeling okay. I'm doing good. Mal ngima tok tang mal mal they consult each other and make sure that hindi aklutin mo ang aramo mang akmal marang asuler artoktang marang asuler adrablul concern and one thing that I know is I'm not Superman and I have to realize that gida gira del lowrior ang area telgalel di tal gira de gururi ta sega talbul de sebol morger kading arbelaw mal kadung ala mal de porger negeri kan ngara Singapore diak pura Singapore negeri kan mura Korea diak pura Korea tingartia di actual di communicate by Zoom mereka kita meeting gitu but kadang mereka sulah Dios and bon muklon ada rablu I'm okay dia kalau soal del share and kita all of our life tara the struggle ni ya omaksang mo magkakaya sa isirigit. So if you notice over the past years, aklelo sa total weight. Di actually ngaria klalo clear ab nga 2007. Isi ablo kul top dira end of October. Masira ko to bedi am nari gira kal murul di kal kulong alak. So I'm good. Akla which is ideal weight na mungila heart marogoy diak sugal diak problem heart na adim la problem na take this wala la talagan. Tilaw da dal igam but sige dam la take care him lam we're good. Now wala mo cholo bu I don't know same kind of problem. So kadam ring asula Dios so pal mo clone ra rablu I'm diak kang lak now dinge first lady mal gargi kana make sure diak kang lak.
So Mr. President, one more question mo Minister of Health. Because ako setial abul at omes setial COVID wase it's a new normal tial search ang aring may. Hospital ngaring tial BSL ul sila po visitor patient mana clear tiag ital hindi mo nakaburo mo rin siya ital karama strict visits. May laseng amomrek leng alsukong kada alsukong siya sing new normal ang kadal move to more sales smell hospital na before.
Ay sige kata ko radio message hindi ko message ni Gambes. Kasi makarada adjust el marurungin mo part tra routine. Of course sige da ul makada mo implement tayo kaya ul kabar tirigel mal critical newing mandia kada add on ra burden ra disease kada diri ko masuber ngi kasi ngara ko tel ungil tetelele kada adjust the policies ra a visitation ma ato ko ra guru hospital kumadangin lasing aman mo to kara adal mo frustrated sa libera ER gila la guru la hindi direct kal ngania shortage ra artoktang makadamal dilingit ra nakaloring ra bekla adal wase di da bodo kargik la e osisil time al sugo mong tidal tomera adal mera guru la hindi al sugo mong diakal emergency e mugtakan mangil maselbol next day sa mura OPD maluba ka mura private clinics tara ulm direct mo overwhelmed the ER to kay gel non-emergency cases el bedo mesra ER mang agi malas mal improve services hindi osisita magdolngit tara adrablulo sa bol sa edel kuk do our part el gargi kalgila la health dergi de takay nga seura tel raktal covid marokul to ra awgurul ma raktal selabelo sulam.
Mr. Nilmuti Mahir, ang kaklo roll out na YLBS strain na COVID na kamligil yalgok kay nistima mligil mutul burus nga ya bes update mo yal yobo lo larat siyang nga program mligil natang dia utilerit
Ngay sa lo sa trend ra BSL variants eng malbatak ngang mong kada mo maring kita keep track. Hindi sel el message el mura adrablo dio sisiu. Pom karigi klomes sa gigit el announcements esel Google bol temem memlar update ra vaccine emong takang el may. So elim la niya omrus ra gym lakal within mutr nga niya raklugu. Mlamo gila del morsegi del mode. Hindi ka dobes el krulangan alet el lengmal batak nga updates ma a booster mong kung na mo segi del mode namo gila del kuk tigi del keep track ra updates el hindi baram line na segi dio. To ka SL variants hindi kita mal ngat la kada mal di mala vaccines. Rablu ra madigel at el kuk in response to new threats mong hindi ka dabigik segi del wasem mo ka vaccines. Kapag di mo dolngit niya travel sa po da oil omes sa gigit announcements pol sa emil mga update terka usel labol temem.
Vice President, imut ya malbuto ka in terms of announcement, malbuto ka announcement na adra governmental to adra igal Facebook page kami mayan. Imne sugilay tawan na announcement at tilog do albiya kulal sa adra obisa pa pala pulis sa K9 unit lo sa mo inspeksyon nga niya aklaman announcement tadang
Kaya Ma'am Salam Mr. Swala daw al malungil ker marangan nga ble circulate ko giutang yaktul wase se tiakal klamrang false information ati aleleng sel local mlaringia local olbira kalulaw mang mendiakal maral to diaka informational black nga K9 unit tulwaset momrula search Raigaro School hindi rin kaldi kaklam ng Minister of Education or was say semblel ukwaset December 1 mo December 14 year bili sa mora Rockville schools o diakang kura diaka informational kula pulwaseng mo niya search ra ay gagital school ulko mang mamkatmok lang malgidel nga niya announcement talwaseng mamkatmok lang gagital search ra wala kar sa those are hindi rin kalmuko rapport ra constitutional issues mang diakal kamrang so kung yung tiyan dire kal kwate alek kurang asulis tiyan mle donate mera kororchel ra kal supplementa kalira inmates ra kororchel mang suwakal hotel te alle mera asule la may barera orior tamle donate tabra sa mamal kama onions may barela mal good partner ay gimla partner up kamam sige di al kororgel matamal masara donation tir dira kam lari donation am sil oykul ang oldang club oldang group dira kam le donate tabra sa mamal dira kam lari donation rangar den ngaram lungoy evangelical church group dira kam le donate tabilum mapra kamangi kala mabras ma amal kamaral madiokang tamal masara donation tir Finally, aktir kalau yuting yang mga sule la Francesca Paka ra mga saw. Ngi marip kagin taro, almle provide a Thanksgiving meal, almora inmates ra koro jail sa Thanksgiving. Tamal masaw regal al donation artir.
Halaga paska imo mulubong le ngartil vitale kong presidente. Awero moral kaum olbiak ulam lot mage. Yotob dangar 1 milyon wala sa autodira ada kablement malangara state malungil sila amlo $60 back to pay day at agida ko krigle ko kal wase ko am na sois ra holiday mood emro ko ngaring ngara eudel telael adra ngara private sector malangari autodir sil campaign mo ada kablement ma dia ka kurawul do swem ul biak laul wasing to orang ara holiday season ko suilo usika al ulel wasen por toda sesen moral at tiat rat ng okla mal di moral morba be kala amtingel wasya next month ra January atak sang mas mal mo al bur bel al mut mal mo klo ndi ka kor usingil wasika makarar tiang tirgay gidel adang tigal msukar wa SS ma pension mal ngario do di especially SS ko terlo suka pension te ka ul da sul girir
sulang irmang ako trule tiragi dele mo sa de ase masa attacks mal momring narada agya del tigul sumo clean that's somewhat incorrect. Masara rebil and the ngasara arbekla ngari armerio mamorbab. Sel gotrungil partria sum other belau, you will get most of it back. So sum other bela impact regorga by positive and negative. Ongeru ngaga mal dimira adrol bil. Mal disendrala al mail gira la minimum wage accinery. I've said that from the beginning. Ngari version ng our house, ngari version ng Senate, doesn't matter what version. Ngidil me the sign bolla. It's time. Yes, kung ilo mungkin mo say it's long overdue. The maybe ngel number 13 Senate 12 mo ang alsum tias el ngara agenda ring adiri kal mal help pergi dem. Kodolito asen kad bodo ngel til lo ay sirgi dre al rur tro asen tara morse adang mol mo make sure they are Oh, I get a question. I mean, I think we need to know what do candidates support. What is their stand on these issues? Kita ruera ural, nari meeting kita mungkin House sama Senate. Nasi ngamara YouTube. Ya meeting kita ambil saudara now the swila House sama Senate possibly was a postpone implementation or tax reform. The Kadulingit tertil was a Murgodo Besra postpone implementation. By them, that's was a implementing Magara, Emongil, to a Sagel Nalsangasel, Osisak, Level Sakarada. That's so customs is ready. Come January 1st, implement the cell part 13. March 2nd, Elway is ready to collect the cell partnering. April Dori, Emnamoget file Agil dosing income tax regit. Business and Masotel pay. They're ready. And next year, by April, the tax refund. So these are all systems that are ready to be implemented and be set in place. Many times I say meeting, I say, Abay si ruli, katamla help para other government nga sa audu. Audu dir, mga sa minimum wage, military help para our private sector. Inflation this past year ang lakra 10%, edim laka tax ma, hindi ara laklalom na mas 10%. So we need to do our parts as leaders, el Mr. Adrablu, Mr. Anitsertir, and make decisions. Magada kadolong itra adrol bilo ase. Kalebla pala enough omsu, dim thank you. Nada.
Kung nawap tu minit mabitangay.
Oh. Leng blora ula Senate alakalwi ito asem differ mangungil at na differing mo asen dirgesel sa kodoni ti ase kamnu turat tadira kamitin mem securing loral they got a ready sign. The only thing let's we need action. Sir ko tamre daman. Malungil Christmas present al sebel. Ara trablo adiri kalmal kora amin. Di ruera bodo mamrek kung guadigi ager. So kan mutel tele mal mrenga sula vice president, marogul ministers. Of course kita modibus ending important ta team el dawro lo matril. El tira kaltmokla blu sil kutmokla aure. De gadil tira involve telu ngani imur telu tele imol government involve telu mga dirikal taram dirikal dimna kal sokal maran marogurun na sokal mangin mo after employee appreciation na sokal mangin emra sel el employee appreciation amla dakal sabel le toktong sing giram di maral kasi makpo akmal di mong emra del men di toktong sen di kapot ka mortegi del sils sokal mo tiat tale mal di mrenga sura rogula adra tira amri lo ro rapekal sils. I know that we're not perfect. I know that tokayel botesis bring whether in COVID and emergency, typhoon and storm, and they go the extra mile to make sure that mokla selbakla. Magdamaral mereng asuli raureri rabekal sils. So kali mo recognize employee of the year rabekal ministry. Adi nung tiarte the congratulate ralea ngiratio Ministry of Agriculture and Environment, Fisheries and Environment, and project assistant ng RC. The regal Uxel Ministry of Health and Human Services, Mindy Benjamin, ga tara nursery. Minda Benjamin, enga tara registered nurse again, what the man Sulera, Amaring Lurel. Yaduk Morsel Ministry, there are Human Resources and Tourism and Development, Malmaring Asulela, Miriam Rungulbai. You see? Ram Komoro, Malmaring Loader, Apakatis, with the Mranga Sulen. A Muri tire. Direct Malmaring Asulela, the class Margo, near school cook, and Ministry of Education. Madiregal Tagi Uchi Kushigan, and Ministry of Finance. Nga information system analyst tergit ngar say diregal uktungra Ministry of Justice area Hubert Amalay nga police officer 3 congratulations diregal uktungra officer vice president area Leon Tabangek nga logistics officer diregal nga Ministry of State Maria Meltel nga administrative officer 3 diregal lastly area Tablong nga a ministry gidra MPII, Flori Karuwong, ga foreman 1. Ukar officer gidra officer president, mga sulila Mr. Edward Anastasio, ga all around. Mga sulila. Di kita mal di mga sulila bekal adra government tira mga aurora bekal sils. Ugum siya dal Mistira tokol award kada mistiri rogo indi kuduk mo ngerti agi de oldang sertir edere uk mo recognize sertirgel tira mring loror tuko bechel sertir el sils mangani aburde ra dorgas ngir ulbaf ngara Ministry of Health and Human Services health officer gid tira ngari Jennifer Williams nga dire nurse ngara MHHS diregal ngaria burdera Rolin Rani economist ngara Ministry of Finance diregal ngaria Masato Ushibata nga accountant diregal ngara Ministry of Finance lastly ngaria Ramson Remote nga classroom teacher diregal ngara Harris Elementary ngara MOE happy birthday morgamil el team el sils Dios لهم كلتنات كمية ولهم كلتنات رأذر بلاو لهم كلتنات بالواث من جذر روقي كمان مسؤولة. عندي عم عم تقول مين؟ برا فايس بريزيدنت هذا اللي تقول.